If your roof looks fine but you're still worried, you're not alone. Let's talk hail damage. Hailstorms can be a menace. When those icy pellets fall, they can crack shingles and cause hidden damage that you can't see from the ground. You might think everything's fine, but beneath the surface, problems could be brewing. Cracked shingles can lead to leaks, water damage, and even mold. Don't wait until it's too late. Getting a professional inspection is key to catching these issues early. Our team offers free roof inspections to help you find and fix hidden hail damage. We'll climb up there so you don't have to and give you peace of mind. So why wait? Call us today at 603 506 5311 for your free inspection. Drop a yes in the comments if you need our help. Protect your home, protect your investment. Let us take care of the roof over your head. Contact us now at 603 506 5311. Remember, when it comes to hail damage, out of sight shouldn't mean out of mind.